Hi guys, it's Joy. Welcome to a beginner-friendly 5-minute ab exercise. Today I'm going to have 6 ab exercises that are guaranteed to get you to that toned core. They're going to be 30 seconds on with a 10-second rest in between each exercise. We're going to start off with Russian twist as our first movement. So here you guys is the first movement with Russian twist. Just take your time and breathe, and the timer is on for 30 seconds. Alright, that was our 10-second rest. Get ready for heel taps, you guys. We're going to tap our heels, rotating from our left heel to our right heel for 30 seconds. Alright, we have our 10-second rest. Timer. We'll go for 10 seconds. And we'll get ready to get into a tabletop position. For our next movement, it's just going to be tabletop elbow to knee crunches. We're going to bring our right elbow to our left knee in a tabletop position, and then our left elbow to our right knee in our tabletop position. Alright, let's start with the other side now. Tabletop elbow to knee crunches for 30 seconds. And here's going to be our rest. Our next exercise are just alternating leg lifts. We're going to slowly alternate our legs from the floor and back. Alright, our 10-second rest has begun. We're going to prepare to lie on our backs. We're going to gently bring our hands above our head, extend our legs out in front of us, and then bring our knees to our chest. Make sure that we tap our heels as our knees are coming to our chest. It's just a simple in and out variation lying on our backs. Alright, you guys, you have done it. You finished your ab workout for today. Give yourself a pat on the back. Thanks for watching.